Hello everyone. Now see, yesterday we studied applications of an AP. In that you have got the full confidence to solve the word problems. Now I think half of the fear it might have went by solving the examples uh, from an AP. Now see, we are up to the last part of an AP, that is the problem set. Now in this problem set, all mixed examples are given here, right from the fill in the blanks to 2 marks questions, 3 marks, 4 marks, and proof. Everything of this it is given in the problem set. Okay. Now see, let's start with the problem set. Now see question number 1. Choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following sub questions. Now the first question is the sequence. -10, -6, -2 and 2 is given. First one, problem set. Number 3, first question. The series is given. AP. AP what? -10, -6, -2 and 2 is given. What you want to find from this? You have to find out the common difference. Now see, we know to find the common difference means what we have to do it? The sequence. Now is an AP, this sequence it is given. It is not an AP. The sequence is given. You have to find out whether it is an AP. When it will be an AP, when the difference is same, then we can say that the given sequence is an AP. So difference we have to find out means here see, T1 is equal to -10, T2 is equal to -6 and T3 is equal to -2. So D is equal to what? T2 minus T1 means -6 minus 10 means it will be -6 plus 10. So therefore D is equal to 4. Okay. Now next you have to see the other term also, it comes same or not, that you have to see. Okay, so T3 minus T2. Now T3 is what? -2 and T2 is what? minus 6. So it will be -2 plus 6 means D will be equal to 4. Now see, this difference it is coming same. Now see fourth also, if you want to see, you can see T2 is equal to T4, D is equal to T4 minus T3 means T4 is what? T4 is 2 and T3 is minus 2 means it is equal to 2 plus 2 which is equal to 4 means it is an AP and the difference it is 4. So option number B. Okay, you have to solve this. Now fill in the blanks we are doing, you have to solve, you have to simplify it. Now next see, first 4 terms of an AP are dash whose first term is -2 and common difference is -2. Okay, the first term is given -2 and common difference is also given -2. You have to find an AP. Okay, so how to find? Second example, first term A, I will say A is equal to, or you say T1 is equal to -2 and D is also given -2. Now you have to find T2. So T2 is equal to T1 plus D. So T1 is what? T1 is -2 and D is also -2. So T2 will be equal to -4. Now you have to find out T3. T3 is what? T3 is T2 plus D. Now T2 is -4 -2 means T3 is equal to -6. So which option is having -2, -4 and -6? -6, then after that it will be -8 means third option is correct. Okay. Now third question, see, what is the sum of first 30 natural numbers? Sum of 30 natural numbers means what? Here it is given. Now series is 1, 2, 3 up to 30 it is. Okay, you have to find Sn. S 30 you have to find out. Means it is n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So it will be what? 30 upon 2 into 2 into 1 plus 30 minus 1 into 1. Difference is 1. Okay, so 15 into 2 plus 29. Now 15 into 31. So it will be what? 465 is. Okay, option number B it is. So sum of 30 natural number is equal to 465. S 30 is equal to. So B option. Now see, the next one is fourth example. For an AP, T7 is given 4. D is given minus 4. You have to find out A. For an AP, T7th term is given. Okay, question number 4. Now here it is given what? T7. T7 is given how much? 4. And D is given minus 4. You have to find A. Means we know T7 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now T7 is 4. A is, we have to find out, plus n is 7. 7 minus 1 into D is minus 4. Okay, so 4 is equal to A plus 6 into minus 4. Means it will be 4 is equal to A minus 24. So 4 plus 24 which is equal to A. Therefore A is equal to 28. Okay, A is equal to 28. Option number 4. Now next is for an AP, A is equal to 3.5, D is equal to 0, N is equal to 101. Then find Tn. Now see, D is equal to 0 means n minus 1 it will be equal to 0. So Tn you have to find out. So Tn will be what? 3.5 because the other terms are 0. Now next see, in an AP first two terms are minus 3 and 4. Then 21st term is, you have to find out 21st term means T21 you have to find out 21st term. Okay, so now first term and second term is given. So difference you can find T2 minus T1 means 4 minus minus 3, that will be equal to 7. Okay, difference is 7. Now sixth question. Sixth question is what? My T1 is minus 3 and T2 is equal to 4. So D is equal to what? T2 minus T1 means minus T2 is 4 minus minus 3 means which is equal to 4 plus 3. So D is equal to 7. Now we have to find 21st term. So T21 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is T21. A is minus 3 plus n is 21 minus 1. 21 minus 1 into 7. So minus 3 plus 20 into 7. Minus 3 plus 140 means it will be equal to 137. Okay, T21 is equal to plus 137. Greater number sign you have to write. Okay, now 7 questions. Seventh question is what? If for an AP D is equal to 5, D is given 5 and T18 minus T13 here to find out. Okay, so I have to find out C. Now your seventh example. In this, D is equal to 5 and T18 minus T13 we have to find out how much it is. Okay, now T18 means we know T18 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now T18 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 into 5 means T18 is equal to A plus 17 5s are 17 into 5 means T18 is equal to A plus 85. Okay. Now same way T13 will be what? A plus 13 minus 1 12 5s are 60. Okay, T13. So here what? A plus 85 minus A minus 60 which is equal to, we have to find out, means T18. This is what? T18 minus T13 which is equal to this. So this cancel. Okay, so 85 minus 60 is how much? 25. Therefore, T18 minus T13 is equal to 25. Such a easy examples are there. See, but by seeing you feel it is difficult. Sum of first 5 multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means you know 3, 6, 9, 15, 12, 15, 18 like this you have to write. Now, and their sum you have to do. Sum of 5 multiples. So, sum of 5 multiples means fifth multiple will be what? 3, 6, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Means the 15th will be the fifth term. Now, 5 multiples. So, S5 you have to find out. Okay. Now, your example number 8. S5 is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Now difference is 3. Now n5 2. First term is 3 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into difference is 3. Okay, so 5 upon 2 into 6 plus 12. So 5 upon 2 into this is 18. So 5 into 2 ones are and 2 9s are. So 9 5s are 9, 5 into 9 which is equal to 45. So S15 is equal S5 is equal to 45. Now 9th C, 10, 15, 5 in the AP. The sum of first 10 terms is, means now this is decreasing. Okay, so the difference here it is what? Minus 5. So you have to find the first 10th term. So S10 you have to find out. So same here we will take 9th example. S10. Okay, series what? 15, 10, 5. Means D is equal to minus 5. A is now see here, n is what? 10 upon 2. 2 into first term is 15 plus 10 minus 1 9 and difference is minus 5. Okay, so it will be what? 5 into 30 plus minus 45. 5. So it will be 5 into, this is how much? So it is equal to minus 15 minus 75. So S10 is equal to minus 75. Okay. Now 10th, see, in an AP first term is 1 and the last term is 20. The sum of all terms is 399. Find n. Okay, you have to find n. First term is given and last term is given. So we can use the direct formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. You will get the n. Sum of all terms it is given 399. Means what? Sn is equal to n by 2 t1 plus tn. This is both given. So this is also given, that is 399. And we have to find out. First term is given 1 and tn is given 20. Okay, so 399 into 2 is equal to n into 21. Therefore, n is equal to 399 into 2 upon 21. So n is equal to n is equal to 38. Okay, n is equal to 38. Second option. Okay, like this, all fill in the blanks we have to solve. Simply B, C options don't write. Okay, so that you will solve, you will not come across any sort of difficulties. Now let's see the word problems. Okay, now in word problems, first one is given C. Find the fourth term from the end in an AP. Okay, we have to find the fourth term from the last. Okay, then now here there are two methods. So easiest method I will tell you, we consider this term from the last. Okay, this series you consider from the last, then it will be easy for you to solve. Now problem set, question number second. In that series is given. Okay, what? Minus 11, minus 8, minus 5 and dot 49. Now this from here you have to find out the, from the last fourth term you have to find out. Okay, now we will consider for the reverse series, it will be what? Will be equal to 49 dot minus 5, minus 8 and minus 11. Like this it will be the series. Means here the first term is what? First term is 49 and you have to find out the fourth term. So we will write T4 is equal to, so Tn formula we know, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now difference we have calculated here. Difference is what? T2 minus T1 means T2 is minus 8 minus T1, that is minus 11, means minus 8 plus 11, which is equal to plus 3. Okay, the difference is plus 3. T2 minus T1. In the reverse order we have to consider, means here reverse order it will be what? The last term, second term will be this will be what? Second term will be 8 and this term is, first term is 11. Now in this reverse order in reverse order what we have written? Yes, -5 and -8 we have written. Means here second term is what? Second term is -8 and first term is -5. Okay, so the difference you have to get. So that will be equal to how much? This reverse order which we have written, this what we have to do it? -8. This series we have to consider. D is equal to -8 minus 5. Means it will be equal to -5, which will be equal to -3. Difference is -7. Now T4 we have to find out. So T4 will be equal to what? 49 plus n minus n is 4. 4 minus 1 into -3. So 49 plus 3 into -3. So it will be equal to 49 minus 9. So T4 is equal to 40. Okay, this is by considering the reverse order. We have got the answer 40. Now by considering this in the serial order also you can find out. Okay, but here the term it will come negative because we have to find the term from the last. So same answer you are going to get. Now after this we have the third example. See, in an AP the 10th term is 46. Third question, in an AP the 10th term is 46. Sum of the 5th and the 7th term is 52. Find the AP. Now like this, third and 6th example is same. Third and 6th is same. So I am explaining third. You have to do the 6th one for homework. Okay, third one and 6th is same. So let's start. Third example. Third example in 10th term is 46. 10. T10 is equal to 46. Okay. Then after that what is given? Sum of 5th and 7th term is 52. Means T5 plus T7 is equal to 52. This is given. 5th and 7th. Okay. Now T10 means what? A plus 9D is equal to 46. This equation 1. Now this we have to simplify. Means T5 A plus 4D plus A plus 6D is equal to 52. Means it will be 2A plus 10D is equal to 52. Means we will divide by 2. Divide by so it will be A plus 5D is equal to 26. Equation 3. Now what we will do it now? This one is the smaller one. So subtract equation 3 from 1. Subtract equation 3 from 1. So it will be what? A plus 9D is equal to 46. A plus 5D is equal to 26. So this is 4D, 0 and 20. So D is equal to 20 by 4. Therefore D is equal to 5. Okay. We have got here D. Now what next we have to find out? AP you have to find out. Means we have to find the series, first term, second term, we have to find out. Okay. Now first term, now we will substitute the value of this in equation 1. So d is equal to 5. A plus 9 into 5 is equal to 46. So A plus 6. So A is equal to 46 minus 45. So A is equal to 1. We got A is equal to 1. Now T1 is equal to 1. T2 is equal to T1 plus D, means which is equal to 1 plus 5, which is equal to 6. T3 is equal to T2 plus D, means 6 plus 5, which is equal to 11. Okay, now 11 plus 5. Therefore 1, 6, 11, 16 is the series. 1, 6, 11 and 16 is the series. Okay. Now sixth one sum also it is same. You have to solve it. Okay. Try this. Third and sixth is same. Now we will see fourth. Fourth one and eighth one is same. Okay. Fourth and eighth is same. So fourth example same. Fourth example is the AP in which the fourth term is minus 15 and the ninth term is minus 30. Find the sum of first 10 numbers. You have to find out the sum of first 10 numbers. Means first what you have to do it, first you have to find a common difference and then you have to find out the sum of 10 numbers. Sum of 10 numbers. Okay, so first let's find first number, second this common difference. Now see sixth homework. Okay, sixth example for homework. Now next is question number 4. 4 is equal to what? Fourth question is the AP in which fourth term, means T4 is given. T4 is equal to minus 15 and ninth term T9 is equal to minus 30. Find the sum of 10 numbers. S10 you have to find out. S10 you have to find out. Okay, now see T4 it is given. T4 means what? A plus 3D which is equal to minus 15. This is one equation. And T9 means what? A plus 8D which is equal to minus 30. Now these two equations we have got. Now what you do it? This is bigger. So subtract 1 from 2. Subtract 1 from 2. So it will be A plus 8D is equal to minus 30. So A plus 3D is equal to minus 15. Means it will be, so this 0, this is 5D, this is minus 15. Okay, therefore D is equal to what? Minus 15 upon 5. Therefore D is equal to minus 3. D you got minus 3. Now next what you have to find out? A we have to find out. So substitute D in 1. A plus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. Means A minus 9 is equal to minus 15. A is equal to minus 15 plus 9 means A is equal to 6 minus 6. A's value how much we have got? A is equal to minus 6. Now next what we have to find out from? Find the sum of first 10 terms means Sn we have to find out. Okay, so S10 is equal to n by 2. This Sn formula, right? Sn is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S10 is equal to 10 upon 2, 2 into minus 6 plus n is 10, minus 1 into d is minus 3, minus 3. Okay, so S10 is equal to 5 into, this is minus 12, this will be 9, these are 27, minus 27. So 5 into minus 39. So 195. S10 is equal to minus 195. Okay, this we have got. Now which this over second, third, fourth and sixth you are going to solve, and eighth also you will solve. Now 8c, sum of 1 to n natural number is 36. Okay, then find the value of n. Now here it is given the sum of n natural number, it is 1 to n, it is given, that is 36. Nth term you have to find out. Okay, so first term is what? First term is 1 and the last term is what? N. Last term is n. So we have the formula S, how much? Then find the nth term up to n natural number. So Sn's value it is given. Sn value is how much it is given? 36 it is given. So Sn is equal to n by 2 T1 plus Tn. T1 is 1 and Tn is n. So, okay, so 8 question series how it is given. See 8. Question 8. What is given? 1, 2, 3 dot dot. 1 to n natural number means 1 to n. This sum is equal to 36 means you have given Sn given 36. First term is 1. Difference is 1. You have to find out n. N you have to find out, and Tn is also given. Tn is n. So you have to find out the value of n. Okay. Now you can find out n's value. N's value you can find. Okay, you will get here the quadratic equation you will get, and you have to. So see, I will only solve how you solve. See, Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket T1 plus Tn. Now Sn 36 is equal to n, we have to find out. First term is 1. Difference not necessary. Tn n. Okay. Now this we will take here. See, 36 into 2. So this n plus n square means it will be 1 n square plus n minus 72 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what are the factors of 72? 72's factors we can get what? 72's factors, it is a quadratic equation. Now you learn to find factorize the terms. So what? N square plus 9n minus 8n minus 72 is equal to 0. Means n plus 9 minus 8n plus 9. Okay, means n plus 9 is one factor and n minus 8 is one factor. Means therefore n is equal to minus 9 or n is equal to plus 8. Means we will have two n will be having two numbers, minus 9 and 8, but negative number will not be there. So n is equal to, nth term will be the 8. Okay, so the nth term will be n, and it is said what in the question, that natural number. So n minus 9 will not be a natural number, so n must be positive. Okay, so this here up to which problem set, fill in the blanks. Now here which question remain? Fifth question remain and seventh question remain. Okay, and here some proofs are there, so it will take time for this. Now in this one activity I will take, 14th activity I will take, so that for next example it will take less time. Okay, 14th example, see here they are given 1000 is invested at 10% simple interest. Check at the end of the year if the total interest amount is an AP. If this is an AP, then find interest amount after 20 years. For this, complete the activity. Now simple interest formula we know, PRN upon 100. Now first year how much is his principal? 1000 rupees. Now his number of years goes on increasing. Okay, principal remains the same. So first year the interest will be 100. Second year the interest will be 200. And the third year principal is same. Rate of interest is same. Number of years change. So here interest will be 300. So as we do like this, 4th year, 5th year and 6th year, the interest will be 400 is given, 500, 600, okay, respectively. So here D is what? D is the common difference, and that is 100, and A is the first term, that is the 1000. So what you have to do is, amount of simple interest after 20 years we have to find out. Means we have to find out T20. So T20 means Tn's formula you have to use. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then, so here see, we have to find out amount of simple interest after 20 years. T20 you have to find out. Means first term is 1000 and n is 20. Difference is 100. So amount of simple interest after 20 years, it will be equal to 2000. Okay, this activity you are going to complete, 14th activity. Now here the examples remain, that 5 and 7 and this 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. This in next video I will cover it. Okay, thank you for watching this video.